Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a platform for coding and development. It's called as OneCompiler. It basically contains 76 languages plus compiler. So this is a very famous website for developers, similar to VSCode or you Replit, CodePen, all these famous websites. Basically, it provides you the compiler to execute code in different languages: HTML, Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, PHP. So just simply type onecompiler.com, and right here you can select the language. Let's suppose you are building an Angular application. You simply select right here. As soon as you simply type the in the search bar, simply type Angular. As soon as you type this, automatically one application will automatically get created. This will simply run your Angular application right here in the browser itself. So you basically get the run button to run this application. So now this Angular application is running right here. On the right hand side, you will get the live preview of the application. So you can get started without creating an account, but you can log in with your Google account, sign in with your Google account to get more features. So simply log in with your Google account. So I recently discovered this website through a YouTube tutorial and just find this website so awesome. If you don't have VS Code installed in your system, you can directly run applications cloud based online. So it's completely free, and to try, if I go to the pricing model, there is no need to pay any sort of extra fees. You basically get in the free plan unlimited code executions, and you get 25 AI credits also. So in the free plan it's more than enough, but in the Pro Plus plan you also get unlimited AI credits as well, studio access, everything. So it's up to you if you want to buy the subscription as well. So if you make any sort of adjustment, let's suppose this is the directory structure. Let's suppose I make any sort of adjustment, it will simply click the run button. So this will simply run the project for you. So as you make the adjustment, anything, you will as you make the changes, simply click the run button once again, and this will automatically compile your application and simply run this right here in the browser itself. So it also supports all the languages. If you can basically select here, let's suppose you're building PHP application, simply select, and this will start a simple PHP application, and click on run, and this will run your PHP application instantly. As you can see, you can create another PHP file as well. So as you can see, you can also run this file as well. So you also get this auto suggestions as well for autocomplete for function names. So again, click run. So in this easy way, guys, you can see how easy it is to code online with these online compiler, and you basically get all the languages, as you can see, which are supported. You can even create a Bun application as well. So Bun is a great online framework for Node.js. So click on the Bun compiler, you basically get all these languages. Click run, this will instantly run your application. So in the drop down you can select any framework, any language. Here you can see, if I select view application, it will start this instantly. The speed is tremendous, guys, as compared to other frameworks which are already there, such as CodePen, Code Sandbox, VS Code. One thing is different, because the speed is very much higher. It's a very lightweight website. As you can see, it is running your Vue.js application. So if you are looking forward for a solution for running your code online, you can definitely visit this website, onecompiler.com. And you can even have any sort of database as well. If you're working, let's suppose, with a MongoDB database, you can simply run this MongoDB commands directly in the browser itself. You can insert everything you can do: databases, programming languages, frameworks, any sort of thing. You just select the framework and it will have a template for that. So it can be C++. If I select that, so now you will see, you will be able to run C++ program as well. So definitely check out this website, guys. So as you can see, C Sharp also. So it instantly runs your program after you make any sort of adjustment. So you get also the autocomplete which are there. So you can share this URL with your friends. So if somebody is opening this URL, they will directly land on your page like this. You can share the simply. There is also this option of deploy as well. So you can even deploy your applications as well. So they do have their own editor as well. So you can deploy this, make use of AI as well. So for AI, you need to upgrade it or click the deploy and so thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com which contains thousands of tools.